what we did when we were kids, just ride bikes, explore, jump in the water. It was just pure positive joy. First time checking out Destin, Florida. We're gonna hop on the bike, go do a little bit of recon.
Plant seeds, work feed. Well, enough of them want ready born. When the food gone so long, them run. And them can't be found. Still man fight the fight, me not give it.
Found this beautiful swimming beach down here, but there is literally barbed wire barricading every way to get in there. We're gonna keep doing a little more recon, see what else we can figure out. There's a whole bunch going on over there. Doesn't look like there's any easy way to get over there, but we're gonna figure something out.
Keep the bounce, now see me front. I got it from a little and I grow. Come on, a winner, yeah. Still a believer. And after the sunset, me not fed Kajim, they defeat defend. Well, it a turn, so me know that the sun a go rise again one day. I go reach down here, even if now it feels like I'm falling. All of me goodness and glory.
I don't drink, but I think they even got like a floating bar out there.
And we not lose a man a winner, and that's for certain. Never take no program, come me and me own dance, so me go and chad and chad and chad. Tell them I'm a winner, yeah. Not pop down, not Joe, not turn in a sinner. Oh, man, still a believer. Even if we get that gone, we keep the bounce. Now see me front, you got me from a little and I grow. Come on, a winner, yeah. Still a
All right, found somewhere to jump in the water, and it's getting steamy today, so I'm looking forward to getting in here. Got to go back, grab the bike lock, get some board shorts on, and get the GoPro waterproof case. So let's go do some more wheelies, and we'll be back here in the water in a minute.
To the sky, never let them low. Only thought you should know. Hands held high.
What do you think? Should I wear it to the club? Let's go get in that water.
I got about 100 reasons to leave the party, but I will not. Got a lot of meaning to get to you when I'm in a spot. Thought about what's the season, oh yeah, it's summer, feeling so hot. I could burn in my slumber, turn the lights off and let the beat drop. I'm the meanest rapper, meaning I feed on rappers a lot. I'm obscene, I need not encouragement, this the courage I got. Got a buzz going, so people heard of me, then I pop. Kinda was going, how you gonna tell me I gotta stop? Start another trend, and if you wanna get in on the ground floor, then what you holding up the wall, standing around for? Call up my people and I know what they down for. We can stay up all night long, land home.
Man, that felt good. You know, it's crazy. When you remove the drugs, the alcohol, the vices, you can just live in the moment. And, you know, what we did when we were kids, just ride bikes, explore, jump in the water. Like, it was just pure positive joy. I'm so glad I'm out here. I'm not spending any money today. I've burned a bunch of calories. I'm having a good time. I'm eating healthy. It's, you know, it's a departure from what I had conditioned myself into in the past. But I'm liking this new sober life, this healthy life a little bit more. A lot more. All right, got a full meal in. I've got a coffee maker in there. Make sure you check out the videos. The inside of that thing is insane. It's got an office seat, a TV, a bed, Bluetooth, Blu-ray, Wi-Fi, printer. So if you haven't seen it, check it out. I'm going to go and just explore, leave the GoPro behind, and just kind of chill and enjoy myself for a little while. I'll bring the vlog camera along just in case there's anything else we're saying tonight. So thanks for riding along with me today, guys. This is a fun little exploration. You know, I hope you get out and just find some of that inner child in you sometimes. Get away from the drinking and the gluttony and stuffing your face full of food, and just grab a bicycle or go on a hike or go climb a tree and just do something fun.